Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual. Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
We're going to go on to a leap combination. This has a few different leaps. We're working on our side leap, our front développé leaps, and our tilt jump, which might be new for some of you. So we'll just have a little look at that as well. So working on linking it together as well and not kind of just starting into our leaps, but having a nice movement quality in between. So you're going to start by stepping on your left leg. So whether you want to start with your feet together or here ready, wherever you like. So we're going to step onto the left and you're going to spring and down. So we want to see lovely pulled up legs here, lovely leg extension. So you're going to step on your left, it'll be the right, then you'll land on the right, lift the left, and then here. Arms are then going to go over at the same time, just like that, gorgeous. So it's different to a circular spring. We want to work on our nice elevation in that spring, yeah? So you go 1 and 2. Step will change to the side. 3 and 4, straight into your side leap. Step, side leap. You'll land across, so you're going to land in front and then turn into a hinge. So when you do your hinge, one of my favorite positions, you're going to bring that toe into your knee. So you've got that nice retire. Then it's just the hips that are shifting forwards. Gorgeous. I'm going to take those arms back so we can see that nice flex and you can see that shape in those arms. So just linking it together. Lovely. So we go step, spring, spring, step, ball change, step, side, step, back. Gorgeous. From there, so you want to control it, but we are going to be coming forwards again. You're going to do a step ball change, step ball change. You're going to do a développé leap, but on a quasi position. So it's going to be crossed, but you're going to bring those arms to the front. So you're not closing yourself off too much. Your legs are going to be crossed, but your chest is going to be nice and open, palms facing down. Yeah? So from here you go, step, ball change, step, leap, and then step, step, into your tilt jump. So we'll just have a little kind of moment with this. With your tilt jump, make sure you're not just jumping and it's just that working leg. We want to try and have that escape of the legs. So Hannah, do you mind just showing us a step, step into your tilt? Step, step up. So as you can see, Hannah's supporting leg is escaping. So instead of just having one leg up and the other leg down, you're trying to aim to get a straight line. If this was my legs, that's what you want to try and get, yeah? And then your arms are going to mirror them as much as possible, yeah? Let's take the head over that supporting side as well, so we're getting a little bit more reach in that side. So let's take it just from, we've done our hinge, we're going to go into our step ball change, 6, 7, 8, step ball change, step, leap, step, step, up. Beautiful, and we can just step out of it, finish it off, and then you'd go. So again, there's quite a few little advanced leaps in there, but it's a good little combination to kind of just showcase your elevation, showcase your different types of leaps, but having a nice fluidity throughout. So let's go from the top, stepping onto your left. Every side I've said, again, you can switch it onto the other side. So on this side, you'd be stepping on the left, just reverse it so you're making sure you're getting even on both sides. Let's have a go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Hannah, so we'll go just all the way through without any music, just to make sure we've got the sequence, and then we'll try with. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hinge, step, will change, step, step, up, and finish. Let's try it with some music. Okay, Hannah, let's try it with some music. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.